isyo. Ngayon, ito ngayong si Alice Go na wanted nang may lumabas na warrant, nahanap ng komite ni Senator Risa, nakalabas na walang kaabog-abog, hindi mo lang na-monitor nila. So parang wrong focus of priority itong mga tao natin sa airport. We have to ask them during the budget hearing anong priority nila. Politika ba o yung mandato nila? That's all, Madam Chair.
Actually, I sympathize with our colleagues here na pinaghirapan talaga nila yung dealing dun sa Pogo issue. Tapos, walang parang kooperasyon sa mga, hindi ko naman sinilala lahat ha, dun sa imposible kasing makakaalis yun na walang otoridad na kasangkot. So anyway, that's another topic. So,
Madam
just
Chair,
open that up during the budget hearing of the PNP.
Just to put a conclusion, Madam Vice President, sa akin kasi po yung, kaya ko bringing up po yun, kasi iba po yung mali at iba yung hindi nila inaamin na mali. No, meaning, dapat pagkalabas ng video na yon, nag-announce na kagad yung airport o yung picture, di ba, na we apologize to the public, to the Vice President, because you're our Vice President. I mean, whether they voted for you or not, President Marcos is our president, whether we voted for him or not. So,
kain.
Amin kayo eh.
So,
kung ginawa sa inyo, alam ba, kung ginawa sa inyo yan sa ibang bansa, nagwawala na yung DFA, no? So, ang point ko, Madam Chair, wala ka kasing narinig ka agad from the airport that we apologize, we're investigating, we have new guidelines, etc. That's why tinulay ko dun sa police, because it could suddenly happen to an ordinary mayor, congressman, barangay captain, if we're taking pictures everywhere. At having said that, as you said, we're open naman, wala naman tayo tinatago sa public. Baka gantihan ko na lang yung ibang police, kukunan ko rin sila pag nasa fort sila. Kukunan ko rin sila ng kukunan ng picture.
Masarap na, masasarap na ang luto mo.
Senator Gatchalian, is that a question, sir, or just a message of support, perhaps?
Thank you, Madam Chairman. I'm just here to express my support and full support to the budget of the Vice President.
Okay, with no other questions?
If that is a motion, Madam Chair, I second that motion.
Nagpasa sa second yung mga motion. Okay, the budget of the Office of the Vice President is now deemed submitted to plenary. This hearing is suspended.
Suspended. Salamat, Opinion Page. Tapos, walang opinion. Ang ano nila. Iwa. Ito paborito ko, pampano. Tirahan mo ko ha, pampano. Pampano ha, lagyan ng alubate. Lami ah. Kapit na, ano na lang, 9 minutes. Ano na tayo, mag-in na tayo. Okay, 9 minutes. Yung dalawang ano na. Dalawang oras na.